Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video about how I designed these gimbal stabilizers for the Taranis QX7 radio by FR Sky. So the point of these is that when you're traveling with your remote in a bag, it just provides a little bit of support for the gimbals and protects them from damage. I started by measuring out all the necessary distances with some calipers, and this was my first prototype. I designed it in SolidWorks, and the issue with this one is, as you can see, it is too tall. It doesn't really, it doesn't go over the stick because I accidentally made this length right here of this inside bit the height of this stick, so the stabilizer part actually starts over the stick. So on my second prototype, I fixed the issue of the stick being too tall, and I also widened this hole so it just, because with the tolerances of 3D printing, it just made it fit better. As you can see, it is still a little too tall, so I moved on to my next iteration. So in my third iteration, I shortened it a little more, and I also increased the width of the camber just to make it fit a little bit better and do a little more stabilizing. And as you can see, this height is pretty much perfect because it's just a little taller than the stick, so it will provide it protection from hits on the top. But I did want to increase the stability a little more, so I moved on to my next prototype. In my next prototype, I added this extra skirt right here at the end of the camber, and the idea was that it would rest on here on the edge of the silver part around the gimbal. But this did not actually provide that much extra stability, and it did require supports to be printed all on here. And my previous prototypes did not require any supports on the camber. So in the end, I decided to go back to my third prototype, and that is the prototype that I ended up using. And I printed two of them at 15% infill. So this was my final design. You can download it on Printables or Maker World in the description below. Have a great day.